Big news coming in. The Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam is backing Kamal Haasan for the Rajya Sabha. That's a big news that has come in. The DMK, the ruling party of Tamil Nadu, is now going to ensure and push for actor Kamal Haasan to enter Rajya Sabha. This will be with the DMK support. This is big news coming in, and just in the backdrop of the statement that Kamal Haasan made, the Kannada language born out of the Tamil language and the controversy around it. Now, Anaga Keshav joins me for the latest on that. Anaga, this is interesting that the DMK believes that their representative or for the Rajya Sabha, a fitting position would be of Kamal Haasan. What are you picking up on this?
Well, in fact, Kamal Haasan has been given a Rajya Sabha ticket in alliance with DMK. Apart from Kamal Haasan, there are three other seats. One is P. Wilson, who is the face of Tamil Nadu's legal victory against Governor R.N. Ravi in Supreme Court. Two other seats have been given to R.S. Sivalingam and poet Salma. So, in alliance, in fact, with DMK, Kamal Haasan has managed to bag one Rajya Sabha ticket. In fact, remember, he also contested elections in 2021 but lost to Vanithri Srinivasan in Coimbatore, and now he has managed to get a Rajya Sabha ticket in alliance with DMK. In fact, very recently, Kamal Haasan also landed himself in quite a swoop by saying that Kannada was born out of Tamil. In fact, this statement has coincided right at the time when Makkal Needhi Mayyam passed a resolution in their own internal party meeting, a unanimous resolution, in fact, by choosing Kamal Haasan, their party leader, to be the Rajya Sabha member in alliance with DMK and Makkal Needhi Mayyam. Very, very interesting times ahead, given the fact that both there's also elections coming by, and now Makkal Needhi Mayyam and DMK have joined hands to contest all the polls together from now onwards.
So, I understand now that he's an actor turned neta, he has his own party, but do you believe that DMK has seen an opportunity here via Kamal Haasan, because especially in the controversy that we are talking about right now about the whole Kannada Tamil language issue, that DMK believes Kamal Haasan could be their asset in the Rajya Sabha. Has he ever been directly supportive of the DMK in the past, Anaga?
Well, right, Pooja. In fact, initially when he floated Makkal Needhi Mayyam, Kamal Haasan was against DMK. But as time went by and he realized that Makkal Needhi Mayyam couldn't really, score goals in Tamil Nadu elections, that's when he decided to side along with DMK. And now both these parties have joined hands. Stalin, Udayanidhi Stalin and Kamal Haasan, the three of them have joined hands and forged this alliance. In fact, right at the beginning, despite speaking against DMK party, Kamal Haasan went on to join hands with DMK. And coming to this particular controversy about saying that Kannada was born out of Tamil, this particular controversy would ideally have no bearing when it comes to Tamil Nadu elections, because the only group that has a problem with this statement is the Karnataka Rakshana Vedike in Karnataka. When it comes to Tamil Nadu, all political leaders, they are agreeing to this line by saying that Tamil is the oldest ever language, and it is true, in fact, that Kannada was born out of Tamil is the kind of sentiment that's echoed by the DMK leaders as well.
Anaga, keep tracking the latest on that. This is a huge news. The DMK and in many ways the MNM coming together, but to appoint Kamal Haasan, push him into the Rajya Sabha, is definitely a big move ahead of Tamil Nadu elections.